Hello guys, Wash the Lad 2014 here. I'm at the local British Art Foundation today and we found another miele, but it's missing its drawer front, so I can't tell what the model is. But it's 1300 done, so I assume it's a Prestige Plus 6, W562. It's a shame it's missing that. Start, soak, pre-wash, short, water plus, spin speeds 1300, 900, 600, 400, rinse all without spin, on and off button and door. So your programs. We got cottons 95, 60, 40, 30, minimum iron 60, 40, 30, easy care delicates 40, 30 cold, separate rinse, drain, spin, got woolens, silks, express, denims, shirts, dark garments and automatic and finish. All your indicators there, program indicators and other things there. Doesn't have the honeycomb cadrons though. I think it's another Prestige Plus 6. Is that your same as Florence Ballard 3060s? Now we're going to go on to the other machine, which is an Indesit IWC 6125. Your on off button there, all your programs on the drawer, and there's a program dial there. Eco time, intensive wash, extra and delay timer, start pause, spin speeds, maximum of 1200, temperatures, maximum of 90 degrees. All your indicators there again. I've left a towel in here. You cannot be serious. They're selling an Indesit for £110 for broken bearings. That is a disgrace. That is a disgrace. It's mouldy. You should be ashamed of yourselves selling a machine like this. Shame on you. And to leaving a towel in, I mean, how clueless can you get? And also, I noticed the fail with what they did with the miele. So on here, they've put the spin as 1000. But it's actually 1300. Just check what you're doing first before you put your appliances out for sale on the shop floor. This is what makes me want to work at BHF, because at least I can do things properly. So anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys another time. Goodbye and take care.